chapter. The name of chapter is tables, links and the frames in the HTML. Okay, so in this class we have to cover tables, how to create a tables. So agenda of this class is to be familiar with the HTML table. Okay, we have to familiar with the HTML table. Okay, then we have to be familiar with the all the tags that are useful for the HTML table. Okay, and then also we have to study the
Yes,
attributes of the
yes, sir.
HTML table tags. Okay, so what are the tags that we will use in the HTML? Okay, for creating the table. Okay, and what are the attributes that we will use, what are the properties that we will use for the HTML table tags. Okay, and then we will create a simple HTML table. So first I want to show you the table that we have to create in our class. Okay, so I think it. Okay.
Achieve, sir, achieve.
Okay, mute. Okay, kindly, Walaikum Assalam. Kindly mute your microphone. Okay. So this lecture I am recording. Okay, and inshallah I will upload on the YouTube, and then I will share link with you. So okay. Uh, so sorry for disconnectivity. So ultimately in this class, what we have to do? We have to create a HTML table like that. So how we can create this type of a table in the HTML? So our goal is to create this table in the HTML code on the web page. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we are moving towards a first question. Do you know about HTML table? किसको पता है कि टेबल क्या होती है? कोई भी टेबल या HTML के टेबल क्या होती है? टेबल किसको कहते हैं? सो व्हाट इज अ टेबल? सो एनीवन कैन डिफाइन, जस्ट रेज योर हैंड. Okay, Mavish, what is a table? Very good. So combination of rows and column, that is known as the table. So it means we will arrange, we will organize our data in the form of table in rows and columns. Okay, that's very good. Next question is how we can create HTML table. Anyone know how to create HTML table? How we can create this table?
Yes, sir.
First I show you. Okay, Fawad. Yes.
Sir, first we will write table head and table footer, and then we will write our data and then table head close.
Okay, so it means which tag we will use for creating the table. कौन सा टैग हम लोग जो है ना टेबल को क्रिएट करने के लिए कौन सा टैग यूज करते हैं? जी.
Sir, TH.
TH बेटा basically TH means table heading. Okay, so TH means
Yes, sir.
table heading.
Table.
So we will use a table tag. Okay,
Table tag.
Yes.
table tag. Okay, so here we are moving towards the introduction of HTML table. So basically you all are familiar with the table or HTML table. It is the combination of rows and columns. Okay, rows and columns. We will organize our data in the form of rows and columns. Ultimately it will be known as the HTML table. So which tag we will use to create the HTML table? We have to use this tag, table tag. By using this tag we can create the HTML table. Okay, so how we can create a rows in the HTML table? So for creating a rows, just we will use tr tag. Okay, we have to use the tr tag. By using tr tag we can create the rows.
Table row.
Okay, table rows. How many rows we can create as much as we want. Okay, जितने हमें चाहिए उतने rows create कर सकते हैं. Next point is that a table heading is defined just before 1 minute. Fawad Shah was telling to you, by using the th tag we can create the table heading. Okay, then how we can create a column or cell or data. So with the td tag we
TD.
can, okay, with the td tag we can create the column or simple table data. Okay, so td contains, in the td tag in the column we can put text, images, lists or other
Yes.
tables. Okay,
Other tables. Yes, sir.
I hope it will be clear to you. If you have any question, just write down on your paper. At the end of lecture, before 5 minutes or 10 minutes, I will tell you, I will respond you all question answers. Okay. So now we are moving towards the next slide. Okay, so what are the tags we will use for creating the HTML table? So first we will use the table tag for creating the table. Okay, so here is the description. From this you can see the description. So table tag will create the table. Which table? HTML table. Okay, when we will use a tr means table row. By using the tr we can create the table row. Okay, then we have td. If you want to create a table column, a table entity, a table field, just you can use this tag, td tag. Okay, if you want to create the table heading, okay, for creating the table heading you can use th tag. Okay, so if you want to give the title to the table, that is known as the caption. For this we can use the caption. Okay, so if you have any question regarding this, okay, so td means basically it is used to create the column. In other words, we can say that it is used to create the column. So tr used to create the table row. So th used to create the table heading. So caption is used to create the title of the table. So table tag is used to create the table. Okay, I hope it will be clear to you. If you have any question you can ask after practicing, after practical work. Your concept will be 100% clear. Okay,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
okay, good. So now I want to show you simple example of table. This is a simple example of table. You can see we have first HTML tag. Okay, for writing any HTML code, first we have to write down the HTML tag. So HTML start and HTML here close. Okay, then here you can see the table. By using the table tag we have created the table. Okay, in this we have used the tr will create the table row. So from here you can see, okay, from here you can see we are creating the table row. So these are the rows. Okay, so these are the rows. How many rows we have? So 1 2 3. So 3 rows we have. From here you can see first row will start from here and it will be ended here. Okay, second row. Okay, and that will be the third row is missing. So tr we can write tr, third row start. Okay, and here third row is completed. Okay, then we have how many fields or how many columns? So 1 2 3 4. So 4 we have column. From here you can see first column, okay, second column, third column, and then we have fourth column. Okay, so in the column you
Yes,
can
sir.
see first, in the first column we have name. Okay, So here you can see we have the name. Then we have class. Okay, from here you can see we have in the second column we have the class. In the third we have a section column. From here in the code you can see we have section. Okay, in the fourth we have college column. So here from you can, in the last column you can see we have the college. So first row will be completed. If we are moving towards the second row, from the second row you can see second row is starting from here and it will be completed here. Okay, and this we have 4 columns. In the first column we are putting the name. Which name? Ali. In the second column what we are doing, we are putting the class. Which class? 8th class. In the third column we are putting the section. Which section? A section. In the fourth column we are putting the college name. Okay, so here is the name of college name. So that will be completed. Second row, third row, fourth row. In this way you can create your own table. Okay, is it clear to you?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Very clear.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay, okay, no problem, Shahrukh. When I will create the table, okay, then your concept will be 100% clear. Okay, okay, now we are moving towards the next slide, that is attributes. These are the properties of the table. Okay, before this I think we should create a simple table. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so now we are creating a basic simple table. Then your concept will be clear, then we will move forward. Okay, kindly mute your microphone. Okay, all student please mute your microphone. Mute your microphone. Still some student here. Gulbahar, mute your microphone please, otherwise I will mute all. Okay, good. So here I think it will be visible to you. Okay, so now it is visible to you. So first we are creating a new file and we are saving with the name my table. Okay, my table.html. Okay, then you have to write your code. So it will be clear because it is very simple. Okay, so now we have to create the table. For creating the table, first we have to write down the table tag. Okay, and then it will be closing tag, starting tag and closing tag. Okay, then just press enter, so it will create the space. Then you have to create the row. For creating row we are using the tr tag. Okay, so tr tag close, and then we have to create a 4 columns. So first column, in the first column we have to write down the name. Okay, in the second column we have to write down the class. In the third column we have to write down the section. Okay, in the fourth column we have to write down the college. Okay, just I am saving, and so it is time to execute it. So how we can execute it? First go to the folder where I have saved. Okay, so here I have saved. So what is the name of my program? So my table.
My table.
Table.html.
Okay, so here is not, I haven't saved it here. So now I have to change the location of this. So I have to save. Okay, save as. So it is in 9th class. So now we have to save in 8th class. So where is 8th class? Okay, so this is the 8th class one. So we are saving with this one. Okay, so now it is saved. So now what we have to do? We have to open with the Google Chrome. Okay, so from here you can see my table. Okay, so now what you have to do? You have to open with the Google Chrome or Firefox. Okay, So from here you can see we have created the table, but table has not any border. Here you can see there is no any border like that. So there is no any border. Okay. So how this border will
आपकी
come?
स्क्रीन रुक गई है.
Okay. Sorry for
Yeah,
that.
sir.
Okay. So from here you can see table has been created, but the problem here is that there is no any border. In the table there is no any border. So where is the border? There is no any border, just like that. Just like is that there is no any border. So how border will come? So then you have to write down the one attribute, that is the border, BORDER, border. Then write down the pixels. Okay, 2 pixels. Save it, Control S, and reload it. Here just press F5. Okay, so here you can see the head border of the table. यहाँ से आपको बॉर्डर आपको दिखाई दे रहा है. हितां का पुट ताके बॉर्डर नजर अचे तो टेबल के बॉर्डर अची वियो. सो नाउ व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, वी हैव टू इंसर्ट द डेटा इन द टेबल. ओके, इंसर्ट डेटा करणो असांखे. कीअं डेटा खे इंसर्ट कंदासीं? सिंपल हिन खे तव्हां कॉपी कयो, जस्ट कॉपी इट. ओके, देन पेस्ट योर नेम. For suppose your name is Abdul Rahman. Okay, class is 8th. Okay, section is Falcon, and then college is IBA CCU Ubaro. Okay, Ubaro. Then save it
CCU.
and also copy it. Okay, Control C and then press Control V. So now I am changing the name. Let's say I am changing Tayyeba. Okay, class 8th, section is Hawk. Okay, Control V because I have already copied, क्योंकि मैंने पहले से कॉपी कर लिया है. Okay, so here I am putting the name Imran, class 8th, so Eagle. So now Control S, save it, and now open the browser, reload it. So how we can reload it? Just press here, or simply you can press F5. Okay, so your table is ready, your table has been created. Okay, यहाँ तक क्लियर है पुत्र? हैज तक क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
यहाँ तक भाई सबको क्लियर है? If you have any question, you can
Yes,
ask.
sir.
Okay,
No,
good.
sir.
Okay,
No, sir.
okay, very good. So that's very good. Okay, yes sir, it means all of have cleared this concept. Okay, so now we are moving towards a slide, and also we have to check the properties or attributes. Okay, so first we have to understand this, then we are continuing our table. So border is the attribute of the HTML table. Okay, so border basically is used to give the border to the table. जेकॾहिं पुट तव्हांखे टेबल खे बॉर्डर ॾियणो आहे त पोइ तव्हांखे छा यूज़ करिणो पवंदो? BORDER. किथे यूज़ करिणो आहे तव्हांखे मैं ॿुधायां थो. If you want to change the alignment means the position of the table, either at left, right, center. जेकॾहिं टेबल खे पुट लेफ्ट ते रखिणो आहे त बाय डिफॉल्ट असांजी जेकी टेबल आहे वेब पेज ते लेफ्ट ते आहे. तव्हां उनखे सेंटर ते रखी सघो था. तव्हां उनखे that will be the left, okay, and that will be the right side, and that will be the center. Okay, so you can place your table either at left or center or right. So by default your table will be at this position, means at left alignment. Okay, so then we have width. So basically width used to give the width to the cells. So what is a cell? You all are familiar. Cell is basically it is the intersection between rows and column. Okay, for suppose this is the cell. So this is the cell. यहाँ पे आपका रो भी मिल रहा है और यहाँ पे आपका कॉलम भी मिल रहा है, तो इसको सेल कहते हैं. ओके, उसकी अगर विड्थ बढ़ानी है तो देन यू कैन यूज द विड्थ एट्रीब्यूट. कैसे यूज करते हैं मैं आपको बताता हूँ अभी. then you can use BG color. So why we use BG color? Basically you can highlight your row. अपना रिकॉर्ड जो है आप टेबल के अंदर उसका कलर जो है बैकग्राउंड कलर आप उसका चेंज कर सकते हैं. कैसे करते हैं अभी मैं आपको समझाता हूँ. ओके, देन द लास्ट फीचर दैट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फीचर, रो स्पेन. ओके, रो स्पेन. सो व्हाई वी यूज रो स्पेन? बेसिकली इट वेरी गुड, इट विल मर्ज द रोज. मर्जिंग जी ख़बर आहे न, गॾाए छॾींदो. जेकॾहिं टे रोज़ आहिनि उन्हनि खे हिकिड़ो रो करे छॾींदो. कीअं कंदो तव्हांखे सम्झायूं था. ओके, इज इट क्लियर टू यू?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, let's create same table and extend it. Okay, okay, don't write something. Yes, जी बेटा.
Last one. Okay, last one.
रो स्पेन. ओके,
Yes, sir.
ठीक आहे भाई. सिंपली पुट छा कंदा आहियूं असां रो स्पेन में. So okay, now we have to use the attributes. Okay, so first attribute we have used, that is the border. Okay, so now what we have to do, we have to use another attribute, that is the align. Okay, so what will align do? So align will change the position of the table either at left or right or center. So first I am writing at center. Okay, see the result, Control S and then reload your program. Okay, press F5. So what happened? The position of the table has been changed, the alignment of the table has been changed from left to right. Okay, so okay, so it will be clear to you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so then we have to use another property. Okay, that is the width. Okay, so you can increase the width of the cells, just Control S. Okay, then reload your program. What happened? The width of the cells has been increased. Why? Because we have increased the width of the cells. Okay, you can also increase the width of the cells and also you can decrease the width of the cells. Okay, so just here I am decreasing.
Sir.
Control S. Okay, Sumayya, Sajid, don't write something. Okay, if you have any question you can ask. I think it will be clear to you. Then we have to use, so we have used border. Okay, and then we have used the align center. We can also place align over table at right, left or center. It depends upon your requirements. Okay, and then we have used the width for the cells. Okay, and also you can use another property, that is the cell padding. Okay, so what will happen by using cell padding? For suppose I am using this, Control S. Okay, reload it, check the result. What happened? Cell padding basically will increase the distance between the cell content. ये जो लिखा हुआ है बेटा, ये जो लिखियल आहे रहमान अब्दुल रहमान, इनके ऐं हिन जो सेल जो विच में डिफरेंस आहे, बॉर्डर आहे जेको सेल जो बाउंड्री ॾिनल आहे न, इसको बाउंड्री दी हुई है. ठीक है, तो इनके बीच में जो है ना स्पेस क्रिएट करेगा. अब मैं इसको थोड़ा ज़्यादा जो है ना यहाँ पर लगाता हूँ सेल पैडिंग. तो यहाँ पर लेट से आई एम यूजिंग 10 पिक्सल्स. ओके, जस्ट सेव इट एंड सी द रिजल्ट. Oh, what happened? The space between your content, okay, this content and the border of the cell, okay, has been increased. The distance between the border and the content is known as the cell padding. अगर ये आपको बढ़ाना है तो आपको कौन सी प्रॉपर्टी यूज करनी पड़ेगी? Cell padding. I think it will be clear to you. If you have any question you may ask. guys.
Re-
So caption. So here you can see students of class 8th. So that will be the caption of the table. So you will see the result. Okay, save it. Reload. That will be the caption of the table. So why it is at the left? Because we haven't aligned this at the center. Save it, and here you can save it. Okay, so that is the caption for the table. So now we have to use the रो स्पेन एंड कॉलम स्पेन. ठीक है, रो स्पेन पुट किए तो यूज करना से ॾिसो. यहाँ पे आप लोग देख लें, यहाँ पे देख लें कि अब्दुल रहमान है, उसका कॉलेज भी सेम है, तैयबा है, उसका कॉलेज भी सेम है, इमरान है, उसका कॉलेज भी सेम है. ठीक है, तो ये अगर उनका कॉलेज सेम है तो ये एक मरतबा आना चाहिए ना, IBCCU बाड़ो. ठीक है, तो कैसे हम लोग इनको जो है ना एक मरतबा लिखेंगे? जस्ट what you have to do, you have to in the first row you have to write down the row span. So how many rows we have? So here we have first row, okay, then Tayyiba second record, and third record is Imran. So you have to write down the row span 3 rows will be span, means they will be merged, and we have to remove this one. Save it and then reload it and see the result. What happened? Other column has been merged in single column. That will be the IBCCU Baro, because Abdul Rahman, Tayyiba, Imran all are the students of IBCCU Baro. Is it clear to you? Yes.
सर रिपीट करें सर, रिपीट अगेन.
ओके, सो बेटा सिंपली यहाँ पे आप लोग देखें,
रिपीट अगेन सर.
ओके, यहाँ पे आप लोग देखें कि अब्दुल रहमान है, नेम है, क्लास है, सेक्शन है और कॉलेज है. ठीक है, तो कॉलेज को हमें क्या करना है? कॉलेज को मर्ज करना है सबके लिए. एक मरतबा कॉलेज का नाम लिखना है, बार बार नहीं लिखना है. ठीक है, यहाँ पे अगर आप देखेंगे कि पहले क्या था, पहले सिंपली यहाँ पे हमारे पास ओके, ये स्क्रीन आपको दिखाई दे रही है, ब्राउजर वाली स्क्रीन आपको दिखाई दे रही है. ओके ओके बेटा पहले अच्छा हो. ओके, यहाँ पे ऐसे कॉलम थे. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे भी IBA लिखा हुआ था, यहाँ पे भी IBA लिखा हुआ था, यहाँ पे भी IBA लिखा हुआ था. हमने क्या किया है? रो स्पेन यूज किया है. कितना रो स्पेन यूज किया है? 3 रो स्पेन यूज किया है. तो उसके अंदर एक मरतबा IBCCU उबाड़ो आ गया. ये कैसे किया है? तो आप इस टैग को देख लें. सिंपल कैसे किया है? ये हमने लिखा है कि रो स्पेन इज इक्वल टू 3. ओके, देन IBCCU उबाड़ो.
क्या हो रही है बार बार?
ओके, सॉरी फॉर दैट वन. अभी सही है? नजर आ रहा है नोटपैड?
यस सर.
ओके सदफ बेटा जस्ट वेट फॉर 1 सेकेंड. सदफ आई एम कमिंग टू यू. ओके, ठीक आहे. रो स्पेन अगरि यूज़ कंदा हुआसीं त असांजो टेबल में जेको कॉलम IBCCU उबाड़ो उहो छा थी वेंदो? सिंपली वन टाइम अची वेंदो. सो नाउ यू हैव अ होमवर्क. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू? यू हैव टू क्रिएट दिस टेबल. आप लोगों को ये टेबल जो है ये क्रिएट करनी है. होमवर्क चेक कर लें. ये आई विल अपलोड ऑन गूगल क्लासरूम.
कौन सी टेबल?
ये वाली टेबल दिखाई दे रही है आपको?
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
You have to make this one. So how you will create this table? By using the HTML table. ठीक है, और लास्ट प्रॉपर्टी आप लोग ये भी देख लें. अगर आपको हाईलाइट करना है, कलर हाईलाइट करना है रो का, so then you have to use this one, BG color. Okay, BG color is equal to blue or red or something else. BG कलर इहो छा कंदो? तव्हांजे पूरे रो खे, अब्दुल रहमान वारे रो खे छा करे छॾींदो? स्पेन करे छॾंदो, माना कलर हाईलाइट करे छॾंदो। कीअं ॾिसो, क्लियर? छो त फर्स्ट रो में फर्स्ट कॉलम में असांजो छा नालो IBCG बाड़ो अब्दुल रहमान वटि लिखियल आहे, इन जे करे सॼो थी। ओके सदफ जी बेटा, कौन सा क्वेश्चन है? हरी अप सदफ।
सर मुझे वॉइस चाहिए।